Welcome to Parsimony, your all-in-one business management solution. In this tutorial, we'll explore the Asset Maintenance Team feature in the Assets Maintenance module. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to create and manage maintenance teams for effective asset maintenance and collaboration. To begin, let's navigate to the Assets Maintenance module in the Parsimony dashboard. Click here to access the asset maintenance-related functions. Once you're in the Assets Maintenance module, locate the Asset Maintenance Team option. This feature allows you to create and manage maintenance teams for your assets. In the Asset Maintenance Team list, you'll find a summary of existing maintenance teams for your assets. To create a new maintenance team, click on the New button. In the Maintenance Team form, you'll find different fields and sections to specify the details of the team. Start by entering a name for the maintenance team. This could be a descriptive name that identifies the purpose or responsibility of the team. Specify the members of the maintenance team by searching for and selecting them from your list of employees or users. Once you've added the team members and filled in all the necessary details, click on the Save button to create the maintenance team. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that the maintenance team has been created successfully. To make any changes to the maintenance team, click on the Edit button. You can modify any details of the maintenance team, such as the team name or members. Once you've made the necessary changes, click on the Save button to update the maintenance team. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that the maintenance team has been updated successfully. Congratulations! You've learned how to use the Asset Maintenance Team feature in the Assets Maintenance module. Enhance collaboration and streamline your asset maintenance efforts with Parsimony. Thank you for watching this tutorial.